Yes, this is Bottantino Bicycles, but today I'm not Alex, I'm Craig, because in this video we're building up a bike second life bike style. So let's go! The bike for today's rebuild is a 1991 Scott Boulder Sports. The bike certainly falls under the not broken, just dirty category, so we're gonna give it a deep cleanse, polish the frame, and then rebuild it. It's a customer's bike, which in addition to a funky paint job, already comes with a few anodized parts fitted to it. So I figured for this build we would lean into that some more and give it a real second life bike style makeover with more anodized parts as well as stickers that you can find at saveoldbikes.com, linked above or below, but probably above. It's fitted with a Brooks saddle, which, I mean, it's no charged spoon, but it'll do. This rack that is fitted here looks exactly like the Bricklane Bikes T-rack, but it's from a different manufacturer, so I don't know if this is a knockoff product or if they just happen to have the exact same design, but yeah, the similarity is pretty striking. So one of the things that needed replacing was the wheel set. It was a mismatched set anyway. Safe to say this front wheel is not stock. As far as I can work out, pretty much nothing on this bike is stock. Even this DX derailleur that you might think is from the right era, so it's probably a stock part, is not in fact stock. According to the Scott catalog from '91, this bike should have originally come with an LX group set. So yeah, this frame has seen some modding for sure. With the frame polished, I want to apply stickers now. That's why I'm fitting the bottle cage again, because I will place stickers around it, and to get a better feeling of where they're going to sit, how it's all going to look together, I think it's better to have the bottle cage on there. Initially, I was not too thrilled with the stem, but once I combined it with these Ultrawing handlebars, I think it looked really sick. This right here is a bit too close for my liking, so I'm gonna read through the wheel a bit more towards the non-drive side. Few last details and some straps for the front rack, and the bike is ready to go. And with me being Craig today, I'm sure you're all already waiting for the riding footage. Yep, it rides. And if you can't wait for next week's video, this one's a particularly good one.